Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome back to my video. In today's video, actually I want to share you the tips and tricks in learning English skill, especially for this spoken and pronunciation skill. Anyway, I just want to let you know that actually these ways these ways are obviously my personal opinion, and I practice it a lot. And I don't force you guys, to do the same thing as I did, because yeah, it depends on you. If you want to try to practice my tips and tricks, yeah, I please you, I'll be glad for it. But if you don't, if you find your own way in learning the English skill, yeah, it's not a big deal for me. Well, I'm sorry, I'm getting a little bit nervous today. Well, in today's video, I'm going to share you the three most effective ways in improving English skills. The first thing that I did, actually making some notes by watching movies or maybe videos on YouTube, or sometimes after listening to the English songs, yeah, just like that. I try to listen anonymously and repeat it for many times, and then I try to imitate the proper English pronunciation, and so I try to practice it myself in my daily conversation. And you know what? Actually, when people ask me, how could you improve your English skill, especially for spoken and pronunciation skill? Well, this is the secret. And finally I reveal it. You know what? When people ask me, you know what? Actually, it was a classical question. It was such as a classical question for every beginners in learning English, especially because we're the non-native English speakers. So we need to know about the most effective way in improving our English skill. And the second way is repeat it. Do a lot of practices by using the words that we got from the movies, or maybe from the videos or songs, yeah, just like that. As far as I know, I'm sorry, I was not that fluent, so I hope that you will understand of what I said. As far as I know, between you search or maybe look up for the new vocabularies every day, or maybe if you memorize it for some vocabularies, I think it's not enough for you, because there are so many new English entry words nowadays, and I think the most effective way in improving our English vocabulary mastery is by watching movies or videos. Because yeah, maybe we can also say by listening to some English songs, but sometimes when people listen to the song, they just enjoyed it and finally they just forget it. Maybe they repeat it because they love it. They love listening to it. But if you watch the movies and you try to try to make some notes, it will be remembered forever. For the example, when I watch a Hollywood movies, entitled Scroll. Maybe you've ever heard about that movie before. There are so many phrases that I got from the movie, such as in Bahasa we can say, "Ayah tetaplah berbicara padaku." Ayah tetaplah berbicara padaku. Maybe if we want to translate it into English word by word, maybe we can translate it in this way. Dad, stay, talk or speak to me. Dad, stay, talk or speak to me. Okay, but anyway, in the movie, I heard that for many times because I repeated. I heard that actually it is not that stay, talk, or speak to me, but Dad kept talking to me. Dad kept talking to me. Okay, it's actually both two phrases are quite different, right? And actually they have a similar meaning, but actually different in the translation. So I think the fastest way if you want to improve your English skill, especially in speaking or pronunciation, you need to watch movies and find the phrases, obviously in English, and you have to listen to it for many times. You have to repeat it, and don't forget to imitate the proper English pronunciation, and you have to practice it. You have to practice it right away. And also the third, the last way or the last tips and tricks that I'm going to give you is imitate it. This is not just imitate the English pronunciation, but also you have to imitate about how the phrase is being intonated or being pronounced. For example, ayah tetap berbicara padaku. In English, or in the correct phrase, Dad keep talking to me. Dad keep talking to me. Well, actually, in this phrase, we find the specific intonation and also the expression. For example, Dad keep talking to me. Okay, the first expression in intonation. Dad keep talking to me. Okay, second expression and also intonation. Well, actually, you can use both intonations or expressions. Based on the situation, the certain or current situation. Yeah, it's up to you. But actually, when I heard the actress said the phrase in the movies, she said like this: Dad, keep talking to me. Finally, you got it. And the next example that I'm going to give you is, what is it? Okay, you can say, tolong, Matt, tolong bawakan aku segelas air. Matt, tolong bawakan aku segelas air. Maybe if we want to translate it word by word into Indonesia, we can say, Matt, please bring me a glass of water. Okay, I repeat one more. Matt, please bring me a glass of water. But anyway, the correct phrase that the native speaker use in this in this sentence or phrase is actually, Matt, please get me a glass of water. Matt, please get me a glass of water. Matt, please get me a glass of water. Hey Matt, please get me a glass of water. Matt, get me a glass of water, please. That's it. and finally you improve your English skill. Well everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Oh my god, it took 10 minutes and I had no idea is it quite simple for you to understand it, but anyway, this is my explanation. Well, thank you so much for watching. See you.